In this video, I'm going to get a little bit more in detail about conditional formatting. Basically what that is if we have, let's say A, B, B, A, C, or whatever data you want to call it. And if I go to conditional formatting, I can do highlighting cells if their values greater than or less than, between, equal to, or text that equals. Let's say I want to highlight everything that contains the text B. Could be a full word, could be just a letter. What do I want that to look like? Do I want it light red fill with dark red text? Do I want it yellow? Do I want it green? Do I want a custom? Let's say I just want it to be bold. Here I've bolded everything. So if I was to change this data, it no longer becomes bold. And if I go down here, since I selected the entire group, if I make it B, it becomes bold. What else can I do? I can choose the top 10 items, top percent, bottom 10 items if they're values. On text, it doesn't work like that. So let's make some numbers. I'm going to make random numbers between 1 and 10. So again, I've selected them all. Go to conditional formatting. I want the top 10 items. In this case, it would be less than that because it only goes to 10. You can choose that. Above and below average. So it's a quick way to do analysis without really even doing any formula typing. Anything between 4 and 7. Here we have data bars. Makes an automatic bar chart in your actual cell. Pretty neat. Color scales. Here it's self-explanatory. Green is high, red is low. Let's say you're doing an analysis where if something gets below a certain level, we want to cause alarm. That's why you would choose that. Let's say that something is getting too high in number, and that's a caution signal. So we have different ways of doing that. Icon sets, we have directions. And again, it's going to take the average of whatever you have highlighted. And Excel is going to use its own intelligence to be able to determine what's high, what's low. Got different shapes, indicators, stars, pie charts. Something pretty neat to know, even if you're a beginner, in case you want to look like a genius